Hello guys, today I'm going to explore Lat Panchar and Sitong, Selphu Hills via Sivok and then Kali Jhora Bazar. Let's explore the beautiful hills of Darjeeling with me. Keep watching the video. Now we are heading towards Lat Panchar. It's only 30 km from Kali Jhora Bazar. You can see the beautiful jungles. Road condition is not so good. It's slightly bumpy. We are about to reach Lat Panchar. We are on the way. The road condition is slightly bumpy. Now we have reached the Lat Panchar village. It's too cold here. Guys, if you want to stay here in Lat Panchar, there is a lot of homestays here. Weather is also very good. It's away from pollution, crowd. Nice place to stay. I think this is also nice. Now we have reached Selphu Hill. Ahaldara, Namthang, Pokhri is 0.5 km. Selphu Bazar, Sitong. Wait, Sitong is just 3 km from here.
Sitong here, 3 kilometers.
Chalo na, Sitong is very beautiful though. Yes. I think yes, Selphu is famous for orange also, local orange, organic. And you can see the beautiful mountain. We have reached Sitong bamboo hut for lunch. We have ordered lunch. You can see the cute huts, bamboo huts. It's very nice. Now we are going back to Siliguri via Korsiang. This is the Korsiang road. Hope the road condition is good. Bye bye Selphu Hills.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made of, baby, that's made